Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Salda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open slightly lower due to weak performance in Asian markets and a decline in the US index futures following concerns raised in the US FOMC meeting minutes. The minutes highlighted Fed officials' worries that potential policy changes could keep inflation above the Fed's target. Additionally, President Donald Trump's call for increased tariffs may contribute to higher US inflation. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 20th February 2025, index opened negative but witnessed a sharp uptick in the first hour itself, and Nifty went on to touch 23,015 marks. It was followed by some gradual dip later for most part of the session and closed below the psychological 23K marks. It formed a bullish candle of the daily frame with longer upper shadow, indicating that even though buying is intact at the support levels, but follow-up is missing at the higher zones. India VIX was down by 1.5% to 15.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio marginally decreased to 0.80. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,500 to 23,500. while immediate range is in between 22,800 to 23,300 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,881 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,958 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 16%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty manages to cross and hold above 23,000, then bounce could be seen towards 23,250, while support is intact at 22,725 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 49,250 for a bounce towards 50,000 levels, while support can be seen at 49,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Zomato, Wipro, Berger Paint, TechM, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, HDFC Bank, and JSW Steel. While some weakness could be seen in IDFC First Bank, Bank of India, CAMS, RBL Bank, Trent, ABB, and ABFRL. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.